Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're excited to announce our new sun visor bracket and rod set for the 66 to 77 Broncos. If you're restoring a classic Bronco, you may be replacing your old sun visors, and what better way to complement them with our polished stainless steel bracket and rod set. Our set is superior to the original chrome-plated rods because these will never rust. This set is correct for the 69 to 77 Broncos, but it can be easily adapted to a 66 to 68 by using the later style electric wiper motor cover. Our complete kit includes 2 brackets with a visor pivot, 2 inner visor rods, and the factory correct mounting hardware. By upgrading your original mounting brackets with our new polished stainless steel brackets, you will instantly give your interior a fresh new look. So if your 66 to 77 Bronco needs new sun visor brackets and rods, look no further than Dennis Carpenter. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.